It's only 1 week into the new year 2022, and the numbers of COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations in the United States are getting worse, with the highly transmissible Omicron variant continues to spread. As of Thursday afternoon, COVID-19 has infected more than 58 million, averaging a staggering 585,000 cases a day, a 247% increase from 2 weeks ago, according to Johns Hopkins University. Health experts say it's critical Americans continue safe practices to prevent infections. An ensemble forecast from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention published Wednesday predicts that more than 84,000 people could die of COVID-19 over the next 4 weeks. As of Tuesday, about 113,000 Americans were hospitalized with COVID-19, according to data from the Department of Health and Human Services. More hospital intensive care units are nearing capacity. Nationwide, 1 in 5 hospitals with an ICU said its beds in that unit were at least 95% full last week, and more than a quarter of ICU beds nationwide were occupied by COVID-19 patients. Facing the near vertical rise in cases, the Biden administration is pushing for more people to get not only their initial doses of vaccine, but booster shots as well. This week, access to boosters has been expanded to more children, but according to the New York Times, progress in persuading COVID-fatigued Americans to get their boosters has stalled. Federal data shows that about 62% of Americans, or 206 million people, are fully vaccinated. And according to a CDC database, only about 35% of Americans have received a booster since mid-August, when additional shots were first authorized, even as eligibility has greatly expanded.